Hey everyone, it's Frank from Virexa.ai, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to streamline your client intake and make sure that no lead ever slips through the cracks again. Whether you just booked a call with us or found this video on YouTube, if you're getting leads but still chasing messages across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, SMS, or WhatsApp, this is for you. Because here's the truth. Leads expect a response in under 5 minutes. If you miss that window, they're already onto your competitors. That's why we built SARA, your new 24/7 messaging assistant inside Virexa.ai. SARA doesn't just reply. She pre-qualifies leads, books appointments directly into your calendar, and follows up with cold leads automatically. Think of her as a full-time office manager who never gets sick, never takes a break, and never misses a message, day or night. In this quick demo, I'll show you exactly how SARA works and why roofing contractors trust her to close more jobs on autopilot. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, so here we are in Facebook Messenger. Now we have a mock company, Elevation Roofing, which I made for the purposes of this video. Now let's pretend we're a prospective client and we want to get a quote. Can I get a quote? Question mark. Now let's see what SARA has to say. Hey there. Just to point you in the right direction, are you needing help with a brand new roof or fixing up some damage? You notice that we give them options rather than let them type out what they want to say. This keeps your leads engaged and keeps them going through easier. Now, sometimes a lot of leads will go through, and then since they have to type a bunch of stuff, they're not even going to bother with it. You know, they want quick, easy steps. So let's just say that we want to get a new roof, right? Awesome. Is this property a house or something more commercial like a business or rental space? Now we're filtering out by job type, so residential or commercial. Now some of you might only work residential, some of you might only work commercial. Regardless, when we go in and build this for you, the system's completely customized to your business, so the correct qualifying questions are asked. So let's just say that we're doing a residential, right? This is the most important question. What is the zip code for the property? That'll help us check availability and get someone out your way fast. Just drop the 5 digits below. So at this point, we are going to vet whether or not the client is in the area. For the sakes of this video, I'm going to say that I am. So 90012. I'm going to send that in there. Great. And we got a response. Awesome. We do cover your area, so you're all set. Just a quick question to get things moving. How soon are you hoping to get the roof taken care of? This helps us prioritize your inspection and make sure you don't get stuck waiting longer than necessary. Now I'm just going to say ASAP. Some of these questions are optional, like this one, but it is nice to have. Thanks for the heads up. I'll keep that in mind when locking in the best time for you. Do you happen to know how old the roof is? Even a rough guess helps us get ahead of any deeper issues. Now this is just really to get a sense of what you're working with, so you know beforehand before you get on site. Perfect. This gives us a head start in spotting what might be going on. Appreciate you. Are you planning to pay for this out of pocket, or is this something you're handling through insurance? Either way, we got you covered. So this is when they choose how they're going to pay. We're going to go through all these options, but we'll start with insurance. So perfect. Just so we can support you properly, who's your insurance provider? We work with most major carriers, but we always like to double check up front so there's no surprises later on. So you can see here Elevation Roofing works with a boatload of insurance companies. Let's just say that we're with Allstate. Awesome. Based on everything you've told us, you're all set. Just pick a time that works for you and we'll take it from there. No stress, no pressure. Now this button right here will bring the client to your booking page. And they'll go ahead, they'll choose a date, and they'll book the inspection. Once they book, both you and the client are going to get email reminders regarding the upcoming inspection. Right now, dozens of roofing companies across the country are using SARA to automate their lead intake, follow-up, and booking 24/7. If you're already booked with us, come to the call ready with questions. We'll walk you through how SARA fits into your exact workflow. If you haven't booked yet and you're tired of leads falling through the cracks, check out the link in the description and schedule your free strategy call now. I will guarantee at least 5 new inspections booked in 30 days or less, or you don't pay. Let's plug SARA into your business and start turning more leads into book jobs automatically.
Like and subscribe.